Comparing stain removers gets easier once you match the format to the mess. The common mistake is buying one oversized solution for every spill. Choose scrubber, spray, pen, wipe, or specialist. 4 task fit option. Pick 1. Laundry stain scrubber by Carbona. Got dried residue on everyday washable clothing? I'd choose this when the built-in applicator matters more than instant washing. It helps work caked-on residue loose, and warm or cold water both fit the routine. You apply it, wait 10 minutes, and then wash the garment. So there's enough dwell time to plan around, but not several days of flexibility. The applicator and formula may also be too harsh for delicate fabrics. Skip it for silk or when your wardrobe needs a gentler treatment method. For task fit option. Pick 2. Advanced with scrubber brush by Shout. Laundry day isn't happening soon, but that older stain still needs attention. I'd pick this concentrated gel when you want to pre-treat now and wash later. It can remain on the fabric for up to 1 week, which gives a delayed laundry routine real breathing room. But that convenience adds brush upkeep. You'll need to rinse the scrubber after each use so residue doesn't move onto another garment. The brush and formula can also be rough on delicates. Skip it if brush cleanup sounds annoying or delicate clothing dominates your hamper. For task fit option. Pick 3. Max Force Stain Remover Spray by OxiClean. This is the practical middle ground when your household creates many different stain types. I'd choose it as a broad spray rather than collecting several narrowly focused bottles. The unscented positioning sounds appealing, but a stronger smell is still part of the trade-off. That makes the label less useful if fragrance perception drives your decision. Its broad role also doesn't give you a dedicated method for one recurring stain. Skip it if scent sensitivity concerns you, or if your main mess deserves a specialized treatment. For task fit option. Pick 4. Stain Remover Spray by Puracy. Is ingredient positioning more important than finding the lowest cost bottle? I'd shortlist this for its 92% USDA Biobased ingredients and its usefulness across fabrics and shoes. Its 6 specialty enzymes also make this more than a basic convenience spray. But lipstick and mustard are weaker fits, so recurring makeup or condiment marks should steer you elsewhere. It's positioned at a higher cost than some alternatives, which matters for frequent replacement. Material-specific limits aren't provided here. Skip it if low purchase cost or those difficult stain types drive your choice. For task fit option. Pick 5. Pen Pro Stain Remover by Tide. A restaurant spill doesn't wait for you to reach the laundry room. I'd carry this when pocket-sized storage matters and small spots are the usual problem. The bleach-free pen fits compact bags, and silk is included among its usable materials. So it's the most travel-minded format here, not a replacement for a full pre-treatment bottle. Its fragrance can remain after application and rinsing, which may bother scent-conscious buyers. The small tip also makes large stained areas tedious. Skip it for home-scale pre-treating or when lingering fragrance is unacceptable. For task fit option. Pick 6. Wipe and Go Instant Stain Remover by Shout. Keep this nearby when fresh food and drink spills happen beyond the laundry room. I'd stash these individually wrapped wipes in a car or travel bag. They work as spot cleaners for fabrics, carpets, and car seats, so the format travels easily between surfaces. However, each wipe is intended for one small stain. Dark or heavy marks may consume multiple wipes, increasing replacement frequency and packaging. A faint ring may also need warm water blotting afterward. Skip these for large stains or if you want a reusable format with less waste. For task fit option. Pick 7. Away by Wine. Some households don't need another general spray, they need a red wine specialist. I'd choose this when colored liquid spills repeatedly threaten fabrics or carpeting. Red wine is its central job, with coffee and juice also fitting its non-oily liquid focus. That specialization makes the decision refreshingly clear. But oil stains sit outside its useful role, and the bottle won't replace an all-purpose treatment. Storage can also feel wasteful if wine spills are rare. Skip it when grease causes most stains or when one versatile product better fits your cabinet. Choose Carbona for short dwell scrubbing and Shout Gel for delayed washing. OxiClean covers varied stains, while Puracy prioritizes its formula. Tide and Shout wipes travel best. Wine Away handles recurring non-oily liquid spills. Check your dominant stain, fabric limits, cleanup tolerance, storage space, and replacement pattern. Prices and formats change, so check before you buy. I default to a broad spray for mixed household stains. But I'd switch to a pen, wipe, scrubber, or specialist when that format removes friction. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.